Sometimes after conducting a test, you may find that you submitted your result incorrectly and need to make an edit. In order to do this, you will go to the Results tab, which is here in the middle. You'll see the past test results, and then you can make adjustments. So for today, we're going to say that Sarah Johnson, she had 2 tests on February 16th, but the reason she was tested twice was because this first result was actually a positive test. So we're going to come back to her row, and you can see that at the end of the row are these 3 little black dots. So you click on those little black dots, and you have the option to mark as error. So after you select mark as error, it will just confirm that you want to mark that test result as an error, and if so, you'll enter a reason. And so we'll say, we're going to say her result was positive. You could also say, maybe that's not the device that she got tested on, but you'll enter your reason. You will say, yes, I'm sure. And then you can see that it has actually removed that result, and that's no longer there. And so you can see historically that there have been other cases where results have needed to be removed due to errors. So if instead you now need to do the correct result, you can return to Conduct Test. We can search for Sarah again. She wasn't having any symptoms. We'll continue to answer those questions. But then here you can update the test date. So in this case, we need to fix her test from before. And so this test was February 16th, 2021, but the test occurred at 9:01 a.m. So that was when the test actually happened. She was on an Abbott by Next Now, and her test result was actually positive. And so you can see that we've now backdated this test. We can submit that. Her result was saved and reported. And then when you go to the Results tab, you can see that she now has her positive test on the Abbott by Next Now. From the perspective of the health department, the great thing about this is that they will now be able to see that Sarah had an incorrect result. They will now be able to understand what was wrong with that original result, and then they will also receive the corrected result. So now there's nothing that you have to do to contact the health department independently to sort of explain what happened. You're able to do all of that within the system.